You're listening to the Core Factors audio library, spoken versions of Core Factors articles and research. This piece is titled, How to Help Clients Rebuild Career Energy Without Starting Over. The following narration preserves the original content and context of the written article.
How to help clients rebuild career energy without starting over. Recognizing the difference between burnout and misalignment. Not every dip in career energy signals the need for a new job or profession. Yet many clients arrive in coaching conversations convinced a major change is required. They describe fatigue, frustration, or a lack of engagement that sounds like burnout. Often, however, the deeper issue is misalignment. Burnout typically reflects overextension across many areas of life. Misalignment points to something more specific. The structure or content of the work no longer fits the person doing it. In these cases, rebuilding career energy is less about escape and more about realigning tasks, values, and focus. For practitioners, this distinction creates opportunity. With the right frameworks, clients can reconnect with what energizes them and adjust their current roles before making drastic decisions. Why career energy fades over time. Career energy rarely disappears overnight. More often, it erodes gradually. Work that once felt engaging begins to feel flat, even when performance remains strong. This slow shift usually reflects one or more common patterns. Roles evolve beyond their original alignment. As responsibilities change, tasks that once energized a client may be replaced by work that drains them. Promotions, team changes, or organizational shifts can subtly reshape a role. Clients may spend too much time outside their natural energy zones. Every job includes stretch tasks, but constant exposure to draining responsibilities leads to depletion, even when competence is high. Avoidance patterns are also easy to overlook. When clients push through disliked tasks for long periods, the cumulative impact on energy is often underestimated. Recognizing these patterns helps reframe the conversation. Instead of asking what comes next, practitioners can focus on what is no longer working and why. Identifying energy patterns through motivation and task alignment. Understanding energy loss requires more than job titles or generic personality labels. Motivational and task-based assessments provide clearer insight. Motivational skill zones, measured through career signals, help clients identify which tasks create momentum and which consistently drain energy. Unlike traditional skills assessments, motivational skills focus on the internal experience of doing the work. These insights can be layered with task preferences and avoidances using the occupational activity groupings from the Career Path Assessment. Developed by Dr. Mark Majors, this framework organizes work activities such as working with data, leading teams, or hands-on creation. It allows practitioners to pinpoint misalignment even within the same role. Global interest areas add another layer of clarity. GIAS reflect how clients naturally prefer to engage with work, whether through analysis, interpersonal service, or structured systems. When a role no longer activates a client's top global interest areas, energy often fades. Together, motivational skills, occupational activity groupings, and global interest areas offer a precise picture of where energy is being gained or lost. Realignment begins with awareness, not escape. Clients who feel drained often believe they must start over. In many cases, the solution lies within their current path. The first step is mapping energy across daily responsibilities. Practitioners can guide clients through targeted reflection. Which tasks consistently feel engaging? Which tasks are avoided or require long recovery? How do these patterns align with motivational skills? Are low preference activity zones dominating the role? Is the role activating top global interest areas? This process often reveals practical opportunities for change. What looks like a career problem may actually be a task distribution issue. Rebuilding career energy through strategic shifts. Once misalignment is visible, practitioners can support sustainable adjustments. Task rebalancing focuses on increasing time spent on energizing work and reducing exposure to draining tasks through delegation or renegotiation. Role reframing helps clients reconnect their daily work to core values, restoring meaning even within stable positions. Micro pivots explore internal or lateral moves that better match motivational and interest patterns without leaving an organization or field. These strategies are most effective when grounded in assessment data from career signals and career path. Clear patterns make it easier for clients to communicate needs and make informed decisions. Rediscovering energy without reinventing identity. Not every misalignment means the entire career path is wrong. Often, clients need support reconnecting with what they already know about themselves and bringing their work back into alignment. By slowing the rush to reinvention, practitioners help clients rebuild energy through intentional, realistic changes rather than starting over. Guidance for career development professionals. Energy loss often reflects misalignment rather than burnout. Motivational skills reveal which tasks sustain or drain energy. Occupational activity groupings and global interest areas clarify deeper engagement patterns. Realignment is frequently more effective than career replacement. Next steps. Use career path and career signals to help clients identify energy drain zones and realign responsibilities with what sustains them. Apply for a Core Factors Pro account to integrate these insights into your coaching practice.
This concludes the audio version of this Core Factors article. You can read the full written version and explore related research at corefactors.com.